Okay, so on this particular image, just make it a little bit smaller so it fits on the screen easier. I already have a center line placed on there, so I'm just going to estimate to get it close to there and rotate this. You can see this is a little bit more free form than before, so just rotating it to fit the top piece right here. And then just go ahead and lock it and work on the layer above this. And to start off, I'm just going to use the pen tool right here, just reset the colors to foreground and background, take the fill off temporarily, and give a ruler guide, just put it down the middle right here so I have a central location. And this will give you the part. So just drawing this up with the shift key is going to give you the initial selection, and keeping it at that piece, it's 12 point. And again, just illustrating this across to do that at 12 point. And these, since it kind of looks almost a freehand, just going to sketch it out a little bit along that path. This, with the stroke section itself, just kind of placing it over there. So having both of these images, just going to set this across. This is just the object path outlining the stroke, so there's the location for it. And then taking the rectangle tool to trim this part off. And just to try it a couple times, you have the pathfinder to do that. If you keep it connected, you have to bring these two together with the unite and then punch that across. The other option is to take these three, rather than making it a path, and just use the shape builder. And that's where you're optioning these items across. Okay, so taking these two parts, reflecting it, here's the center point of it. Take a look at the options to copy it across. And grabbing all four of them, five of them, make it one piece. And now using the rotation section, so just the option and shift. So it's going to be 360 divided by 6, just hit preview, copy it, and duplicate it across. You pretty much have this selection unified into one piece. If this was an odd number, this is just going to use the star tool right here to option this piece across. You can kind of see the image there, and here you can distort it a little bit with that particular section. So just going to hold the shift key just to get it in the proximate position. 12 points there. Just rotate it to fit. Now keep in mind you can place the rotation in there a couple different ways, but that'll give you a section there. And then just going to the object path, offset, I'll outline the path. So outlining the stroke, selecting all of this together and using the pathfinder to unite them, so it gives you that particular selection. From that point forward, you have the idea of placing that together. And again, this can be used as a brush, a shape, a symbol, everything that's involved with that selection. See if you can use the geometry of that, the shapes, the star tool, connecting all those together.